why Cardano price could see a surge this last quarter. So Cardano has been shifting towards becoming a leading project in remittance over the last few months. This comes with its partnership moves, seeing it gaining ground with solution for ease of cross-border remittance. However, a primary factor leading to the potential surge in Cardano's price this quarter is a talk about its ETF approval. We know one of the asset managers has filed for a spot Cardano ETF, which have sparked a lot of interest in the native token itself. But I think there's a lot of other factors as well. There is a lot of things happening on the Cardano chain, these major developments that are coming out, which a lot of people overlook. But on this channel, we want to continue to remind you guys, take a look at the bigger picture rather than just a short-term price action. But welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the ADA family. Appreciate you guys for showing tremendous amount of love. Looking today, as of Saturday, wherever you are around the world, happy Saturday, by the way, we are seeing a little bit of a retracement. Obviously, today's a weekend. On the weekends, we can see a little bit more manipulation than usual due to the fact that CME futures are closed. But yesterday, which was Friday, was a great day for the crypto markets, as we know. And since then, a little bit of a minor pullback. So far, so good. As far as ADA is concerned, we're down about 2.8% for the price itself, sitting at 91 cents, also down 1.1% in Bitcoin. Comparative valuation sitting at 33.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $1.7 billion. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look at the price right now and see what's happening. So as far as the dominance is concerned, I want you guys to focus on the dominance on an hourly perspective. So if you're looking at the dominance on an hourly perspective, you can see for yourself we're still barely seeing any sort of upside for the dominance. We did come down to 58.2%, but just a little bit of a bounce, nothing crazy. And this is exactly what you want to see if you are obviously holding the likes of Cardano or other altcoins. And we have seen what kind of big magnitude this could really play in terms of altcoin performance, because yesterday Bitcoin barely did anything. Bitcoin did go up to 117, but we weren't near no all-time highs, but yet you saw double-digit gainers for a lot of utility projects. And that is something I tell you time and time out to be not forgetting. And here we have it once again at 58.28% for the dominance. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin obviously got rejected at $117,000. We did make our way down to 115. Obviously, you guys know the significance of $115,000. You want to see the price holding above 115. It's simple as that, not rocket science. If we drop below 115,000 today, then it pretty much opens the door once again for us to retest the likes of where we were just a few days back. Obviously, that's not what people want to see, but what's really interesting is the fact that even though the price of Bitcoin has retraced, dominance is still at the 58% mark. This is a very, very big signal that I don't want you guys to be forgetting. But let's take a look at ADA's price right now and really understand what we're looking at as far as the price is concerned. So nice consolidation. Of course, it has also retested from 94 cents down to where we are right now, but we're being supported by that exact range. Obviously, that's been coming in our way as a support since 2022. You can see for yourself we're being supported by that key range, but still accumulating above the 85 cents mark. Nice to see. Obviously, like I said, do expect a little bit of volatility based off of what's happening with Bitcoin, but most importantly, keep an eye out on dominance. This is exactly what you want to see happening for the dominance. And I personally am projecting that, the next wave for ADA will start, and we could start heading up to the likes of, some of the, levels that we actually have not seen since 2021. Of course, that's in the 0.50, which is halfway to the all-time high. And this is where the fun really begins. But I'm really, really starting to like the setup. The way the setup is holding right now is something that continues to give me more, confidence that, this breakout is imminent. We've retested. Let's not forget, we have retested this zone back in November. As far as this year is concerned, a few different retests above this key range. But, in order for us to really get a confirmation, of course, it would be above the dollar price point, which of course time and time out is giving us an importance of that level. Of course, it's a psychological level. But I want you guys to realize this. We have not left this 78.6 Fibonacci level since November of last year. That was the last time ADA's price was in that 61.8. Breaking above here, I think, would make us start entering the exciting zone. Again, we're going to take it one step at a time. Do let me know in the comments what you guys think. Make sure your exit strategies are in play. Do not forget that. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Every single day updates on ADA for you guys. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX and peace out.